Hello again everybody, welcome back. So we have today a Burg Wachter Delta stainless steel. It's the 660/40. It was sent to me by Tom Foxxy from RedCatImaging. So very nice little lock. First Burg Wachter I've had. So works quite nicely. Nice feel to it. Bidding on it is quite interesting. If we'll focus. Pin number 5 is very high up behind 4. And if we can get the light in here, just to make it even more difficult, we have quite a paracentric keyway there, just to make life difficult. So let's get this in here. Looks about right. Bottom of the keyway because of that paracentric keyway. Quite a shallowish hook. And we start on 1, nothing. 2, 3. Right, we've got 3 as binding. Sort of gone up. It's quite awkward. There we go. Click. It'll be quite awkward. Little click on 4. Just trying to get the tip of the pickup through the warding. Trying to get up to 5. There we go, nice click out of 5. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. Another click on 3. Nothing on 4. Another click on 5. Right, click on 1. 2 is now binding. Nice click on 2. 3, 4 is now binding. Click on 4, 5, and there we go. So all opened up. So that's the Burg Wachter Delta 660/40. Thanks for sending me that, Tom. A nice fun little pick, that one. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.